Hello teacher. In this video I will talk about the experiment that my team and I did for the key activity. I will summarize it and explain it. First of all, our objective. In these homemade experiments, the aim is to observe the performance of so-called biological detergents, those that contain some kind of enzyme in their composition that facilitates the removal of protein residues. The hypothesis was biological detergent is a detergent used for laundry that contains enzymes. Detergents that do not contain enzymes are described as non-biological. Which one will remove dirt better? Our variables are the amount of detergent, the quality of the ingredients, and the time. The research question is: what is the relation between the amount of enzymes for biodegradable and non-biodegradable detergents when cleaning dirt? The methodology for our experiment was: first, prepare a solution of each detergent, biological and non-biological, by putting about 15 grams of detergent in a glass. Then put 125 milliliters of hot water in each glass and dissolve the detergent. Then, take the boiled egg and divide it an equally clear portion for each of the solutions that we have prepared before. After that, pour each of the solutions into a labeled container and put a piece of egg white in each one. Then, store the containers in a place where the temperature is around 30 degrees Celsius and let it rest for 2 days. After this time, remove the piece of egg introduced into the solution and observe what has happened to it, to both ones, to the biological and non-biological. For this experiment, we had two results. The first one was the biological detergent destroys the proteins of the egg and starts to fall apart. And the second result was the non-biological detergent doesn't affect the proteins of the egg and keep the proteins together so the egg keep it together. Next, you will see an image of both results for you to have an idea of what do it look like. And finally, the discussion and analysis. So, the biological detergent contains enzymes that attack the protein that makes up the egg white. It digests it and breaks it into small particles. These particles dissolve in the water. For this reason, the portion of the egg introduced into this detergent will have decreased in size. Even it can be disappeared. This is how enzymes work in our body. And this is how enzymes in a detergent work against proteins, stains. Like, for example, the egg, blood, milk. The egg in the non-biological detergent does not dissolve. It should look like the same as it looked before the experiment. This experiment can be also carried out with several brands of detergent and make a qualitative measurement of the proportion of enzymes that each one presents. So, teacher, this was all for today, and I hope you understand or understood my explanation of the experiment, and hope you like it too. So, see you.